Welcoming to all. Today we discuss about the topic windmills and its types. What is windmills? Windmills is a structure that converts wind power into rotational energy by means of winds. Types of windmills. First one post mill, second one tower mills, third one smoke mills, fourth one fan mills. First of all, we discuss the topic post mills. In post mills, its defining feature is that the whole body of the mill that possesses that machinery is mounted on a single vertical post and then be turned to bring the sails into the wind. The post on which the body is mounted is hauled out to accommodate the draft. Then second one is tower mills. It is a type of vertical windmill, consists of brick or stone towers. Its main application is over yearly post mills having really larger sails for great reach wind. It is traditionally in western style windmills. Then smoke mills. Smoke mills is that it usually cylindrical rather than hexagonal or octagonal shape and built from brick or stone masonry. According to direction of its main application, it most situated at sloping horizontally weathered both sides. It has 6 or 8 sides. It rotates to bring the sails into the wind. Then last one, fan mills. Fan mills, its simple use purpose, it has 4 to 20 blades and mainly used for pumping water. It's mostly used in industrial sites, machines to provide a large flow of air or gas to achieved by rotating a number of blades connecting to a hub and shaft. Thank you.